I now want to create a circular background to sit behind my cedar tree. I'm going to select the ellipse tool from the toolbox. I'm going to pick a colour for the background. Doesn't matter particularly which colour I choose, I could change the colour later. I'm going to go for this light green. Okay, I'm going to move my cursor now. I'm going to move my cursor now over top of my tree, although effectively I'm targeting the background layer. You can see my highlight running through it. Now I'm going to mouse down and drag. Now if I do this, I will draw my circle, but it will be from the top left hand corner. Holding down the Alt key will allow me to draw a circle from the center. If I want to be very precise about my circle, I can actually hold down the Shift key. I'm going to let go of the mouse button first, then the Alt key. You can now see that I have a background behind my cedar tree logo, but in doing so it has revealed an issue with the logo itself. You can see I have some white areas that I need to remove. Now that gives me the chance to show you some selection techniques. I'm going to change layers. I'm going to switch, so I'm targeting the cedar tree layer. Now to make sure I don't pick up the background layer as well, I'm going to lock the layer by using the lock icon between the visibility icon and the selection color for that particular layer. Now I'm going to use the Magic Wand tool. The Magic Wand tool selects by colour. So whichever item I select, so if I hover over one of these white background areas and click, it will select all of the white in one go. What I can then do is backspace to delete those areas to reveal the background behind the tree.